Good day, everyone. Today, we are going to discuss step-by-step solving few equations. So, we have two problems here. Just please stay and watch our video. So, arat na!
Before we proceed in solving equation, we have here speed of light 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per seconds or 3,000,000 meter per seconds. We have here frequency and the symbol is small letter F, and we have here wave speed and the symbol is small letter B, and we have here wavelength and the symbol is upside down Y.
Don't forget, Miss Novena, now that we're to solving few equations, we were using reciprocal form. Okay, shall we start?
Our example here is, what is the frequency of wave of light with a known wavelength of 2.46 times 10 the power of 4 meter? So the first step is given, and our given is y equal 2.46 times 10 the power of 4 meter, and c equal the 3 times 10 the power of 8 meter per second. Then next is r. R is required. So as you can see, we need to find frequency.
And then the next is E is for equation EF, and then still C and upside down Y. Or to make it easier, we're gonna use triangulation method and then move to S, that means solution. SF E 2.46 is 10 to the 4th power meters, 3 times 10 to the 8th power meter per seconds. Cancellation on the same variable. After cancellation, answer is 0.82 times 10 to the 4th power S hertz. Y is changed into 4th power.
We have the significant digit. Going back into the given, the SD in wavelength is 3, while the speed of light is only 1. The two of them we need to find at least SD.
Of our final answer, which is 1 times 10 to the power of 4 hertz. Now that we have our final answer, let's move on to our next problem.
Our next solving equation is still frequency, but its photon energy or joules, J. We already has given in Planck. Constant is 6.63 times 10^34 joules. Before we proceed in solving this equation, we always need Gresa.
Our given here is, what is the frequency of a problem of a photon with an energy of 11 times 10 raised to negative 20 joules, and our given here in Planck's constant is 6.63 times 10 raised to negative 34 joule per seconds, and our required here is F, which is frequency, and our equation here is energy is equals to Planck's constant over frequency.
Before we proceed to our solution, we need to use triangulation method, which are that we need to find the frequency. Our solution is F equals 11 times 10 to the power of negative 20 joules divided by our given in Planck's constant, 6.63 times 10 to the power of negative 34 joules per second. The answer is 1.6591 times 10 to the power of 40.
As you can see, this is not our final answer. Before we proceed to our final answer, don't forget the significant digit. So the SD of photon energy is 2, while the Planck constant is 3. Then the final answer is 1.7 x 10 negative hertz. Why it is hertz? Because if the frequency is missing, it changes to hertz every final.
Amazing, right? Thank you for watching our video, and I hope you've learned something.